So the holidays are upon us, and this is something that I like to talk to people about. I was talking to a student of mine who I have previously worked with, when we were both nurses, and now she's at the end of her CRNA program. So we were talking just about certain things around the holiday and working and things like that. But I often struggle with socialization around the holiday time. And this got particularly difficult for me when I became a nurse practitioner. And I thought it was just a part of my personality type. I thought it was like just a part of me being an empath and an introvert. Like, I spend lots of time by myself because that's what I like to do. And by year 3, it just did not get better. So I was like, wait a minute. So I talked to my therapist, and she told me, she said, this is a form of holiday blues. And I thought, I've never thought of holiday blues that way. I thought holiday blues was like people lonely during the holidays and stuff like that. I have a big family. We gather all the time. Like, I'm not lonely during the holidays. Thank goodness. You know what I mean? And she helped me realize that it wasn't that I was lonely. I was having difficulty because I was holding space and making capacity for my patients who were expressing to me that they were lonely. So basically like a transference, right? Because I don't think we consider enough of how our capacity adjusts when we are holding space for patients. This year was particularly difficult because, I have so many patients that have shared with me, about divorce, job loss, becoming caregivers to their parents, becoming empty nesters. I mean, things that they are really struggling with outside of like their health conditions, right? And I also felt like, even though all these years later, because I talked to my therapist about this maybe like 7 years ago, even after all these years later, it's not easier. It's not less difficult at all. I still feel really heavy, and I don't socialize much during the holidays. And I just want to know, does this happen to anybody else?